Hello there Year 6. Welcome to Food, Prep and Nutrition here at Redhill School. My name's Mrs Condlyffe and I'm the subject lead of Food, Prep and Nutrition here at Redhill. We also have Mrs Cummins, who is another food teacher who teaches Year 7 to 11 too. If you come to Redhill School, you'll be embracing a variety of activities within food, all based around hygiene, safety, food preparation and healthy eating. You'll have the chance to cook in one of our 2 specialist food rooms where you'll be making healthy based foods to take home and eat with your families.
Food and nutrition is about hygiene and safety. We also do nutrition. Also in healthy eating, we look at how we can eat healthy.
We like doing practicals because they're fun and you get to use all the equipment around the food rooms. And so we did cookies and you get to put chocolate chips in them and you get to take them home after the day and it's really fun.
In Year 7 we've completed theory and practical work like linked to nutrition. We've been taught in a specialist room and we were taught how to use the equipment properly.
We're very much looking forward to seeing you in September, but between now and then it'd be really nice if you with your families could get involved in cooking at home. Go shopping, see what's on the supermarket shelves, look at the labels on foods, and also most importantly have a big hand in the washing up, because that forms a big part of teamwork when we do practical work here at Redhill. So looking forward to seeing you then.